didn't think I'd turn around and say that it's too late to apologize.
Someone says sorry, you turn around and say thank you for apologizing. You don't say hey, it's too late to say sorry. Who taught you this?
It's too late.
This is shameful. Don't teach the next generation this. Why are you laughing? It is never too late to say sorry.
Is it too late now?
No, it is not too late. This behavior. All bad advice this boy gives.
I'm your biggest fan. I'll follow you until you love me.
You cannot do this.
Papa,
No one loves people who follow them.
so I'm a superstar. You know that I'll be.
Who are you talking about? Better not be that behavior again. Pascal is married.
But I won't stop until that
You bloody
boy
crazy. This is called stalking. Not the kind you wear. The kind they put you in the jails. Beaver is going to call the police on you.
So honey now,
Who's honey now?
take me into your loving arms.
No, you're loving anybody's hearts.
Kiss me
Stay right
under
here.
the light of a thousand stars.
Who are you kissing now?
Place your hand on my beating heart.
Hand on the bosom! No hand touching the bosom! No kissing, no bosom hands, nothing! Stop it now! I don't want to hear one more note from this mouth. Go brush your teeth. Go to sleep. Enough. Close the windows.
Today I don't feel like doing anything.
What's new?
I just wanna lay in my bed.
Didn't even wear pants today. Patloon's hanging on the Peloton bike for 3 days. I'm paying $62 every month for your patloons to hang on the Peloton bike. Sing lazy song, lazy girl. Sing, do ping ping. Tell all your friends how lazy you are. Proud, so proud moment. So proud. Let's share with the world. Rascal. Close the window, put some pants, legs. Hello pants. Go to sleep.
Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry her anyway.
No, marry that girl.
I'll marry her
Go
anyway.
marry some other girl.
Girl,
Not
no
this
matter
girl.
what you say.
No, you no matter what I say, no matter you say. No family, you go get some other family.
Be so rude.
Because you're not Indian. I'm sorry. Come back with PhD. Or doctorate in something. Not poetry.
But if the world was ending, you'd come over, right?
False.
You'd come over and you'd stay the night.
It's horrible to
Would
travel
you-
if the world is ending.
Would you love me
Where's
for
that
the
idea?
hell of it? All our fears would be irrelevant.
Hey, no boys allowed.
Ending, you'd come over.
If the world is ending, no boys allowed.
Yeah, I'd be
Today,
calling
and the world is ending, no boys ever in this house.
Would you
Go to your
ever
studies.
reason why?
Must do studies. No world ready. Ending. Nobody is coming over. Close the windows.
Hello?
This is a collect call from Boston County Jail. Do you want to accept the call from Sheena Melwani? Press 1 to accept this call.
Yes. Hello, yes, please. Where do I send the money? Take her. Take her, please. I have waited so many days for this call. This rascal is troubling me day and night. Take away internet. Take away TikTok. Take away. No piano, no ping ping, no pom pom, no nothing. I can sleep at night. Please, I will bet more money right now. Please come get her. Thank you.